Now class 4th A. 4th A. Subject GSC. Date 18/9/2020. So today we are going to start a new lesson. So you see lesson 10. Lesson 10. Lesson 10. Our clothes. Our clothes. So you see page number 59. See the page number 59. 59. Our clothes. So page number 59. Lesson 10. Our clothes. Page number 59. So for starting this lesson, we have to answer the pre-reading questions. What did early man use to cover his body? What did early man use to cover his body? There was no clothes in early days like today. How our ancestors hide their bodies? They hide their bodies with leaves of plants, with barks of the trees, with skin of the animals. So look at the pictures and tell why or when do people wear these clothes. So diagrams are given. You try to see these diagrams. So first, this is the sweaters. When people wear the sweater in which season? You know very well when you wear the sweater during the winter season. Shirts during the summer season. Uniform when you are coming in the school. Raincoat during rainy seasons. Night dress during sleeping time. So we have the various type of the dresses, the various type of the clothes. Various type of the clothes are used at the various times. At different times we use different type of the clothes. To tell the students about the need for the clothes. What is aim? What is aim to study this lesson? First, aim. What is aim? Aim. To tell the students. To tell the students first about the need for clothes. About the need for clothes. Second, about the clothes, about the clothes suited for different seasons. Suited for different seasons. And third, about different kinds of materials, about different kinds of materials used for making clothes. Used for making clothes. And next, about the ways to take care of clothes. About to take care of, about the ways to take care of clothes. So these are the aims, these are our aims to study this lesson. First, to tell the students about the need for the clothes. Why we need the clothes? Why we need the clothes? Why we wear the clothes? Next, about the clothes suited for the different seasons. Why we wear the different clothes in different season? Why we are not wearing the sweaters during the summer season? And why we are not wearing the raincoat in the sun? So next, about different kinds of materials used for making the clothes. Different materials used for making the clothes as synthetic materials or natural materials. About to take care of the clothes. We should take care of the clothes. How we can protect the clothes from the rats, mites and other insects. So we have to study. Man has always been inventing things to make the life comfortable. It happened with clothes too. Early human had got the idea of weaving clothes by observing spider webs and birds' nests. So early man came the in early man idea came for the clothes by the some insects like spider and birds which makes it the nests. He developed plants that could give him fiber, hair of different animals to wear, used as fibers. Today, scientists have developed many kinds of fibers: cotton, wool, silk, nylon, rayon, and the polyesters are some of the cheap fibers used for making clothes. Now, types of the fiber. How many types of the fibers are there? So, there are mainly two types of the fibers. One is natural fibers and other is the synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. So natural fibers are obtained from the natural sources. As name indicates, natural fibers are obtained from natural sources, that is from the plants or animals. Cotton, jute, silk, wool are some examples of natural fibers. Now, fibers from the plants. There are some fibers which are obtained by the plants. So, cotton, jute, and the coir are some fibers. These fibers are obtained from the different plants. Cotton is obtained from the seeds of the cotton plant. Jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant, and coir is obtained from the outer covering of the cocoa nut. So different type of fiber, different type of the natural fibers are obtained by the different part of the plants. Fibers from animals. You are familiar to the wool and the silk. Wool and silk are fibers obtained from different animals. We get wool from the hair of the sheep. Wool can also be obtained from the hair of rabbits and camels. We obtain silk from silkworm, cocoons, etc. So, next one is the synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are obtained from the chemical substances, not natural substances. So, synthetic fibers are obtained from chemical substances: nylon, rayon, polyester, and the acrylic are some synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are stronger than the cotton. This important thing: synthetic fibers are stronger than cotton. Cotton, woolen, or the silk fibers, clothes made from synthetic fibers are more durable and attractive, but synthetic fibers do not absorb sweat and can catch fire easily. That's for today. Thank you.